Welcome back to our e-learning series on data, data science, and AI for small and medium enterprises. In the past videos, we went over the important definitions of concepts and jobs in data science, and we now have the necessary background to delve into an important topic. What is the cost of a data science project? As an SME manager or owner, understanding this cost is crucial before you decide to lead your first data science project. So let's get started. Let's first introduce the types of costs involved and the factors that influence this cost before going into a practical example with actual monetary amounts. Overall, there are typically three main cost categories: personal costs, infrastructure costs, and data-related costs. First, we have personal costs. This includes the salaries of data scientists, data engineer, and other professionals involved in the project. It's important to assemble a skilled team that can handle the complexities of data analysis. Next, we have infrastructure costs. These encompass the hardware, software, and cloud services required to store, process, and analyze large volumes of data. Depending on the project scales and complexity, these costs could vary significantly. Lastly, we have data-related costs. These involve acquiring, cleaning, and preparing the data for analysis. Additionally, there might be costs associated with acquiring external datasets or conducting surveys to collect specific data points. The amount of this cost will depend on three main factors: the project complexity. Projects with intricate requirements and advanced analytical techniques may require more time and resources, leading to higher costs. Data quality and availability. High quality, readily available data can significantly reduce costs, while poor data quality may require additional efforts and expenses to clean or collect the necessary data. The scope and the duration of the project are also important. The more extensive the project and the longer it is, the more resources and time it will require, ultimately increasing the overall costs. Obviously, it's important to establish a clear project scope and define your goals upfront. This will help you allocate resources efficiently and prevent unnecessary expenditures. You can also consider partnering with external consultants or data science firms. They can provide specialized expertise and support, leading to smaller costs than the ones associated with in-house team management. All right, let's go now into an example to get a clearer picture of what kind of cost you can actually expect from a data science project. Let's consider a small marketing agency that wants to analyze customer data to improve its customer segmentation strategies. They have a relatively small dataset consisting of customer purchase history, demographic, and email engagement metrics. The personal cost will be the following. As a small business, they may assign the project to an existing marketing team member with basic data analysis skills. Alternatively, they can hire a part-time data analyst or consultant, costing around 100 to 200 euro per hour. Assuming a project duration of 2 months with part-time involvement, personal costs can range from 3,000 to 9,000 euro. Then, the infrastructure costs. With a smaller dataset, the infrastructure requirements can be minimal. They can utilize existing Office computers and open source tools like R or Python for data analysis, reducing the cost to almost zero. The data-related cost. Since the dataset is relatively small, there may not be significant costs associated with data collection or acquisition. They can use an existing customer database and email marketing platform, incurring no additional expense. Finally, development and iteration. The focus of the project is on basic analytics. So development costs would be limited, mainly consisting of time spent by the team member or consultant on data analysis. Assuming a few weeks of work, that cost could range from 1,000 to 3,000 euros. It's important to note that the provided cost estimates are rough approximation and can vary based on factors such as location, project complexity, and specific resources requirements. Actual costs for a larger project, such as developing an AI tool, could easily shoot up to €250,000 or more. I hope that This video provided some clarity on the cost of data science and that you can now make an informed decision on whether you would like to start your first data project. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video.